Hello friends, thank you for watching Travel Mastery. Before I start, I would request you to please subscribe my channel and watch this video till the end. You are going to get the best solution to start your travel business. मैं आप लोगों के लिए बहुत ही रिच कंटेंट लेके आया हूँ. आप एक बार वीडियो को पूरा देखिएगा and I am sure that you will start the business without any problem. Now, how to start your travel business? The first step is you need to go for the naming of the organization. So that means you'll have to choose the name of the organization. दोस्तों, मैं आपको ये बता दूं, ट्रैवल इंडस्ट्री आज की डेट में बहुत ही अच्छा बिजनेस कर रही है, बूम पर है. और आने वाले 10 सालों में जो डेटा बोलता है दैट ट्रैवल इंडस्ट्री विल do the 30 times more than what the business they are doing currently. So you can easily understand how this industry is going to boom in coming days. So let's start, guys. Once you decide the name, you will have to go for registration. So your registration, your company registration could be it's a private limited company, it's a sole proprietorship company, LLP, or maybe partnership. So whatever suits you, suits your business, you can go for the business. एक बात मैं और आपको बता दूं, there are two models to work for the travel industry. So one is you own your company, start, and you collect your own content and do everything. Second one is you take franchisee of the company and then you run the business. So you can, again, it's up to you to choose whatever the best suits your budget, your structure, location. You can go with that. एक जरूरी इन्फॉर्मेशन मैं यहाँ पे देना चाहूँगा. The organization, travel organization who are doing the business below 20 lakhs, they don't need to file GST. So it is only when you are doing the business worth more than 20 lakhs per annum, you need to file the GST. So this is just for the information. To start the business, you also need some certification when you go for the next level. So when you wanted to make your organization bigger, probably you need to get your ITA registration done, your trademarking done, or maybe ISO certification. So you can go for these things. This adds value to your company. As any business model requires few parameters to think before they start. In the travel industry also, you need to consider few facts before you start a business. So I'll just help you out with those things, so that you can start the business with a clear agenda and clear decision as what to do. So here you go, guys, with your business planning. So number one point is you need to have a practical plan with a solid foundation. When I say practical plan with a solid foundation, that means a very clear agenda of your work and how you are going to execute that business. Second one is you need to be dedicated, and you are ready to sacrifice lots of things to reach your goal. When I say sacrifice, simply means to start the business may need more energy, longer working hours, more money and all. So you'll have to be ready with these things to start your business. Point 3 is technical skills. Every business requires some technical skills, so that travel business also. In the travel business, you need to have self booking tool, you need to have the automation in place, you need to have the billing software, submission software, your AR, AP. So these tools and softwares is required to run the business. You need to know these tools and software so that you can negotiate better and you manage it, since you are managing the business. The fourth one is, you know, the basic knowledge of the management, resource management, employee management, financial management. So all kind of management to run the business, you need to have the basic knowledge of those management skills, because you are managing the business and you are owning the business. So you have to know everything to manage your business. You also need to know the market analysis skills. Why market analysis skill is required is basically, you know your competition, you know your customer, you know your business, you know your product, and you can compare this with whatever others are offering the industry. So how to do the market analysis? You need to know few things in terms of while doing the market analysis. So I'll help you out with few points. You just check whether you are sure about these questions, and if you see that answer, you can easily start your business. So here you go with the market analysis points. So one is, do you know who your customers will be? क्या आपको पता है कि कौन से वो लोग हैं जो आपके कस्टमर होंगे? If you know that, I think you can think of starting a business. If you don't know, please don't start the business, because until you know your customers, you can't sell the product. Number two is, do you understand their needs and desire? क्या आपको उनकी ज़रूरतों का पता है कि आपके कस्टमर कौन सा प्रोडक्ट चाहते हैं? If you know that, good. Do you know where they live? Don't get confused with the live. That doesn't mean the residential address. Where they live simply means the community they belong to. So whether they come from the middle class family, rich family, private sector jobs, government sector jobs, the industrialist, and so on and so forth. Number fourth is, will you be offering the kind of product and services they will buy? क्या आपके पास वो प्रोडक्ट अवेलेबल है जो वो खरीदना चाहते हैं? प्लीज़ रीचेक. People will not buy whatever you will try to sell them. Please understand. लोग वो नहीं खरीदेंगे जो आप बेचना चाहते हैं. लोग वो खरीदते हैं जो उनकी ज़रूरत होती है. So you'll have to be very clear that you need to develop the product, and you need to have those kind of products which your customers want to buy. Fifth is, will your price be competitive in quality and value? क्या आपका प्रोडक्ट मार्केट में ऑफर्ड अदर प्रोडक्ट की क्वालिटी में बेटर है और उनकी कॉस्ट एट पार है, सिमिलर या लोअर है? अगर आपका प्रोडक्ट क्वालिटी अच्छा नहीं है, लोग आपसे बाई नहीं करेंगे. सो प्लीज़ मेक श्योर you check the quality of your product and the value, and do the comparison with others. Next one is, will your promotional program be effective? आपके promotional programs, please understand, we are talking about the travel business. Travel business doesn't mean you don't have any physical product to sell. So all we sell is the dream. So you have to make sure that your promotional programs are so effective that reaches to the maximum mass people, so that they come and buy the product from you. Last one is, do you understand as how your business compare with competitors? आपका business, आपका product, आपके competition में कहाँ पर है? So these are the few points which you need to ensure that you are very clear, and you have these products, these analysis available with you to go on with the business. Since you are starting a new business, as a friend, I have few more suggestions to you guys. One, if you are new into the industry, my suggestion, my recommendation would be, go with the franchising model, because here you have limited or less capital needs to be invested, and then you can start, with collaboration with organizations like MMT, Yatra, SOTC, or Thomas Cook. You can easily get their franchisee and work on the commission model. But if you are experienced enough, you have the experience of the industry, you can go and start your full-fledged business. I hope you like my video and the information shared by me is helpful to you. If you need any further detail in this regard, you can always write me on the comment box. I would love to assist you. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.